Hi guys, I'm from my channel Leonardo Profit. And today I want to tell you how to make easily animation video. Alright, just only open a Canva and make it Canva 8. Okay, first you open your Canva and select video. Then you can go to elements and here you can write sketch. And you can really sketch any picture. You can also upload your own pictures, what you want to find. Just that, and save it as a PNG. Okay, after that, save the picture as a JPG, then it on PNG. Then open and select add, and here you write speed paint without space. Select and here you upload your download image. Okay, after upload that you can select the time 20 seconds your animation time, and you also apply the color when you ward after 15 seconds, and also select their sketching hand effect and to it. Here you also select your frame 30 seconds like that. And here your image is ready, your image with animations. You can reset it your frame and just play. Look at here. After that, you can either save MP4 or you can either download and make any animation video without use of money. Thank you.